Welcome student in second semester. In second semester, our lesson number 1, rocks and minerals. You know what is rocks? Rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are natural non-living substance. A rock may contain one or more minerals. The type of rock depend on the quality and the quantity and the arrangement of minerals in it. There are 3 main types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. What are the 3 main types of rocks? Igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks again divide into 4 categories: granite, pumic, obsidian and basalt. Granite, pumic, obsidian and basalt. Sedimentary rocks. What are the main types of sedimentary rocks? Sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestone. Sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestone. Metamorphic rocks. The main types of metamorphic rocks are slate, gneiss, marble and quartzite. So one by one we are going to deal these things. So first, igneous rocks. Igneous rocks from base of all the types of rocks: plain, mountains, ocean, bed, etc. They are formed by the hot liquid material lies in huge underground packets called magma. The magma is pushed upward by the pressure of other rocks around it. Some of cools and harden below the surface of the earth, while some flows on the earth's surface and they harden to form the igneous rock. The magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. Now, the first one, granite. Our first rock is granite. Granite is the most common igneous rock. It is formed when the magma cools slowly under the ground. The 3 main minerals are present in granite: quartz, feldspar and mica. The color of granite, grey or pink. It depends on the content of minerals in it. The main uses of granite: it is used for making buildings, statues and street. Some beautiful temples in Tamil Nadu are made of granites. Now the next one is pumic. Pumic is another light colored rock. It has many holes and pockets which are formed by the gases trapped inside it at the time of its formation. Dentists use the powdered pumice for polishing our teeth. Next one, obsidian. Obsidian is another lava rock. It looked almost like a black glass because of its sharp edge. It is used to make cutting tools. Next one, basalt. Basalt is formed when the lava cools quickly and hardens above the ground. So this is all about the igneous rock. Now next one is sedimentary rock. For sedimentary rock, everybody come to page number 187. A major portion of the earth's land surface is covered with the sedimentary rock. You know what is sedimentary rock? When any type of animal or any type of leaves fell down on the earth, they are coming on the sedimentary rock. These are formed from pebbles, sand, mud or clay. They are deposited in the sea and oceans. The first example of sedimentary rock, sandstone. This is the type of sandstone. Sandstone is a common sedimentary rock. It is made from the particle of sand that are cemented together. It is mostly contain quartz grains. Sandstone may be yellow, pink or grey in color, red also. The Red Fort in Delhi is made of sandstone. Next one is a conglomerate. Conglomerate is a rock of uneven texture. It is formed from pebbles and gravel cemented together by minerals and sand and carried by water. So, this conglomerate is very useful or important also. It is used as an ornamental rock and for polishing ornaments. Next one, shell. Shell is made up of clay and mud particles that are peeled up by the layers. Shell is used to make tiles and bricks. Next one, limestone. Limestone is made up of a mineral called calcite, which was once a part of the animal shells. It is mostly grey or white in color. Chalk is one form of limestone. Now, next one is a metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rock is the result of transformation of an existing rock in a process called metamorphism. Metamorphism means change in the form. It means most metamorphic rocks were once either the igneous rock, otherwise sedimentary rock. So, how they form? So, for this everybody come to page number 188 and put the finger here. Tons and tons of pressure which favors heat build up chain them metamorphic rock. In some rocks, the minerals are broken into smaller ones, while in other, the minerals are stretched into the flat particles. There are many kinds of metamorphic rock. First metamorphic rock, slate. Slate, it breaks into a thin layer. Slate is used to make slate and blackboard. Next one, gneiss. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock that is formed from granite. It has light and dark color bands. Next one, marble. Marble is widely used metamorphic rock. Limestone change into the marble. Marble have a different color, but most it is present in a white color. Marble is used to make statues and buildings. Next one, quartzite. Quartzite was once sandstone. Quartzite is too hard to be used as a building stone, but it is used for making statues. Next one, minerals. I told you previously that rocks are made up of minerals, but what is the minerals? Rocks are made up of minerals. Some minerals found in rocks are metallic and some are non-metallic. Some minerals are metallic and some are non-metallic. Some useful metals can be profitably obtained from metallic minerals called ores. इनके ores से हम metals बनाते हैं. Example, hematite we get iron, bauxite we get aluminium, pyrite we get copper, calamine we get zinc. So these are the metals. These metals are commonly used for making wires, utensils, furniture, machines, coaches of trains, etc. The precious metals like gold, silver and platinum are used for making jewelries. Next one, non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals, example coal and petroleum. Coal is one of the most valuable minerals stored in the earth. It has been used as a fuel for hundreds of years. In India, coal mines are situated in Singrauli, Madhya Pradesh, Talcher, Odisha, Raniganj, West Bengal, Naveli, Tamil Nadu, Singrani, Telangana. Coal is used as a fuel for cooking, for heating homes and buildings, for producing electricity in power plants. Half of the energy in the world today comes from the petroleum. Petroleum or crude oil has a several names like rock oil, black gold and liquid sunlight. You know where we get this petroleum? In India, petroleum is obtained from Ankleshwar, Gujarat, Digbai, Assam and Mumbai High of the Mumbai coast. We have to conserve the natural resources. You know why? If we are not conserving these natural resources, they will exhaust it. So what we have to do? For this, everybody come to page number 190. The earth has enough for everybody's need, but not enough for everybody's greed, said Mahatma Gandhi. So we have to follow some instruction. First one, we must conserve our natural resources. To save fuels at home, we must keep our stoves and machine in a good conditions. We should use coal and oil very carefully and wisely. We should also use inexhaustible sources of energy like sun, wind and water. Mineral deposits in the earth are limited. They should not be used carelessly or wasted while mining. Student, I hope you understood this lesson. This lesson is very interesting, so read this lesson properly so you can understand what is rocks and minerals. Exercise and question answer I will give you in PDF file. So be safe at your home. Bye.